Greetings bikers. So today is another maintenance video. I'm taking my bike for servicing, and I'm sorry to say that my last service, change of engine oil, is actually about 11 months ago. And I didn't even travel up to 5,000 kilometers for the past 11 months. Can you guys imagine how seldom I ride nowadays? So I feel a bit sorry to my bike, because I know it's not a good practice to wait until you actually hit the mileage before servicing the bike. As you all know, that like cars, it's either you hit every 10,000 kilometers or 6 months. Every 6 months, whichever comes first, you should bring the vehicles for servicing. And I've taken it for granted. So far my bike still performing very well. Nothing there's nothing wrong about it, but I think it's time to give it an to change the engine oil and let it have some inspection to see whether other parts are performing okay. And one more thing is that I think it's also time for me to clean the air filter, because it has been, I think, more than 1.5 years at least, I think, since I changed the air filter. And then there's one more thing, is about my chain. The chain noise has come back to haunt me. So all this also means one thing. It means it's time to spend on my bike. So this time I'm going back to Takong Racing in Cheras, because I intend to flush my engine, since it's more than roughly a year already. I didn't service it. And I also plan to wash my air filter, because not all workshop provides the service to wash your air filter, especially if you're using those aftermarket air filter. Okay, so I'll see you guys shortly at the workshop. here we are. Service， 跟住 check 下嗰個鏈仲用得冇？
OK。
啊，
它 service 然後
仲
check 那個鏈
仲我去洗埋嗰個 air filter。
啊，我時間我洗 air filter。
啊。
你鎖匙俾
哦，OK，thank you。
service 你我用咩胎油？
你跟茉莉
full
synthetic 啊
synthetic。OK，然後還有
flush my engine 啊 ，flush engine。
engine flush，然後還有 oil filter oil 係咪？
oil filter oil 啊。
之後咧 check 佢嗰啲牌可以用冇？
要時間啊，因為你嗰個要俾你行。
啊，我知，唔趕嘅。
今日做
啊，
工睇真啲係咪做工啊？
冇啊，冇做工，今日冇做工。嚇。So apparently my chain and sprocket is still usable, and it should last me for the next service. I just need to loop the chain just for now. And yeah, my fault again. So this is the Motorex semi-synthetic oil that I used for the past 11 months. The coffee color shows that the oil is still in good condition, I suppose. I guess this is what you paid for. It's because Motorex is really one of the most expensive engine oil you can find in the market. So my chain survived, and just did a oil change, and my air filter clean, new oil filter. I didn't manage to flush my bike because the mechanic released the old engine oil too fast, so cannot flush my bike this time. So I guess we'll do it next round. Okay, time to go.太高咗嗰度。So now I'm back with liquid moly fully synthetic 1050 engine oil. You see this? Okay, till then, see you in the next ride. Drive safe.